Okay, everyone. So, I don't know if you can hear me. Hopefully you can. But, we're about to get started. Yay! So, the stream is going to start at 1:30 PST, which is in about 10 minutes, or 9 minutes actually. We will be programming my Minecraft server. If you followed me on YouTube, you may have noticed I've been making devlog series for my YouTube channel of me making this Minecraft server. So I'll be doing this today. Yeah, I'll be programming my Minecraft server, Bread Vibes MC. And so yeah, we'll be starting a tiny bit. So I am going to be showing you my what I'm doing, like the code, and trying it out in actual Minecraft and stuff like that. To program it, I am using this plugin called Denizen, and it's Denizen scripting language, and it's pretty neat. You should check it out. You can check out the source code down in the About section on the channel, the Twitch channel, where you can also find links for my website, my YouTube, Discord, Odyssey, stuff like that. So if you want to support my channel a bit more, you can check those out as well. So if there's no music, I'm sorry about that, because it started echoing a lot, and I'm still trying to figure out how to stream and stuff like that. And this is only my second one, so let's hope this is well. So if the Twitch chat looks a bit strange on the stream, that's probably my bad. Because again, second time streaming, still trying things out, and you know, the only time you can kind of try it out is when you're actually streaming. So, I know nobody's watching this right now, but this will be uploaded onto my YouTube channel and saved as an archive on Twitch, hopefully. I believe so. So, here, I'm gonna try and get the music to run. Okay, let's see. Alright, yeah, it's playing. Just, I don't see any chats in the chat. I might have to fix that real quick. Don't mind me going mute for a second, just enjoy the music. Okay, so I think I got the chat to start working, and I'm not sure about the timer. Don't know why that's like that. Yeah, I'm not sure the Twitch chat is working, so sorry about that. Okay, so it's time to start the stream. It's 1:30 and there we go. Oh, the chat rooms works. Okay, so it works here. So, welcome. Oh, the timer's wrong. So let me just turn that off. Welcome to the stream, everybody. We will be programming a Minecraft server here in here on the stream. We'll be using the Denizen scripting language and plugin to make this. And if you want to see more updates on the channel and on the server, you can check out my YouTube channel where I post devlogs about it. Also, I have all the code open sourced in the about section. There's a link that says GitHub. You can find the source code there. And so, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. I hope you like this thing with my Minecraft skin. Oh, it's a little finicky. But yeah, this is kind of my way of doing a face cam without actually using a face cam. Sorry if it's a little quiet, just probably turn up the volume, maybe, to my 0 viewers. And with that out of the way, I think we should start. So, alright, so in this stream, we will be doing, like, I think an hour, 2 hours, maybe hour and a half, I'm not sure. So, we will be doing, we're making factions currently on the devlog series. And so I want to work on faction actions that you can do. We will be implementing a transfer ownership thing. So I'm going to try and implement a way to transfer faction ownership. Let's see how it goes. Let's hope nothing really happens too bad. Hopefully all the bugs are okay and mild. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys like that. So, okay, so we got Minecraft up here, and this is the testing world. So currently, I have a way for you to /faction, and it should open up your faction. So if you have a faction, it should open this inventory where you can invite members, claim, land, and change settings. These do absolutely nothing, and will take you to absolutely nowhere so far. So, this does nothing either. You can go to here, which is the danger zone, where you can transfer ownership, which is what we're going to be working on, or you can delete your faction. So let's try deleting this faction. There we go. Successfully deleted the faction. So now when I do faction again, it says you are in a faction. Join a faction or create your own. And you can join, which is not implemented yet, and you can create a new one. So now, I just made a new one. So now, there we go, this is my faction. And I'm just gonna get the faction data. So it claims the chunk I'm in, creates the faction, gets the owner and the members, which is just me and my UUID in this case, gets the name, dummy permissions, there's a color, but that is not parsed correctly because of some Denizen magic, and it's an invisible code, so it obviously isn't going to show up. The display name with color, but I guess that's not exactly working right now. I think the default is white, so that's probably why. I might actually have to try and figure that out. Where is it? Oh, Factions Core. Yeah, the default color is white. Maybe I should try and change that. Okay, so yeah, I think this is working. Okay. So, the color is white, and that's why it's not really showing up. So, it lists the rivalries, which is none, and allies, which is also none, because, you know, we just made it. It's got the power, which is 100, but that's a string. I don't really know why. But that is, and it has the claims. And it claims, this, it currently claims this chunk right here, which is a cuboid. It just takes it into a cuboid right here. Or, yeah. I'm forgetting where that is. Okay, this should be on my screen, correct? Yeah. So, we are going to work on transferring ownership from one player to another. So, let's get started with that. So, I've got this subpath here where it's transfer ownership. I'm actually going to move this up here. Currently, if you try and run that, let me just reload. ex run faction dot transfer ownership. It will just say transfer, like it does over here. So we're gonna have to get some context, or we're gonna have to figure out a way to transfer ownership and notify the new owner and have them decline or accept and stuff like that. We will be using a flag system most likely to do this. And yeah, so because I can't just, you know, transfer ownership to myself, I'm gonna have to open up my alt account soon so I can test that out. Okay, so let's try and start working on this. So I'm just gonna narrate something like, oh, select the player you want to transfer ownership to. Actually, that's not gonna work. Okay, so let's open up an inventory with all the players. So new inventory, guys. Alright, inventory, let's go. So we're gonna faction, action, danger zone, transfer, ownership, player, list, inventory. Man, that's a long container name, so it has to be type inventory. It is a chest inventory with, it's a GUI, and the title is pick a new owner. Okay, debug, yeah, I'll keep that for now. Slots. So because this is gonna be a double chest, I'm just gonna copy this, and there we go. Now we've got an empty inventory that we can now open. So I'm just going to open that inventory. Copy this. And it should be linked to the player automatically. So if I do ex run faction dot transfer ownership, if I'm not mistaken, it should open up. Yep, there we go. So we've just opened up this inventory. Now we should get a list of all the players, and I'm going to work on making it dynamic later. We're having like, oh, back a page, next page, last page. Well, that's kind of beyond the scope of this stream, so I kind of want to keep it simple. So we're just going to list all the players currently online, and it was just gonna be me and one other person. And yeah, so that's probably not gonna be the best idea for making like an actual server or like release one, but this is just a way for me to learn. Plus, it's going to be open source, and I don't think you would want to open source a Minecraft server. Okay, so let's start working on that. So let's see. I had a command that lists all of the factions right here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just used the procedural items. Yeah, I should do that. So I just have to get, oh, I spelled that wrong probably. Nope. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to get a list of all the players on the server. So players. Alright, let's see. Server get on get. Is it get online players? Or server.online players. One line, no. Online players. Dot parse name. Do I want to parse it by the name? Do I want to get their names? Nah, maybe I'll get their names later. So we'll just get a list of all the server players, the players that are online currently, and then gonna maybe make a loop. So for each players as P. Let's see. Did I do that right? we will be adding the player's head to this list, which will then be added procedurally to the slots. So, we're gonna have to make a new item every time we go over. So, define player head item to be item with how did I do this last time? Okay, so I just item player head displays. Okay, yeah. So it's gonna be a player head and its mechanisms. I'm doing that right. I think. Yep. Alright, so skin will be the player. Why is this? That is... Huh? Server.online players. Does that not return a list? Or... It does. Do I have to do parse here? Will that work? Non-existent. Oh! No! Whoopsies. I'm doing the wrong command. That should be define, not determine. My bad. This shouldn't be determine. It's to be define. Okay. Now that we got that focused or cleared up. Now that we got that cleared up, let's get the player. So okay, so now we have the player stored in the P. So let's just do quickly skull skin equals, I think I just have to get the UUID of the player. Yeah, I just need their UUID. Or I just need the player actually. Can I just do this? Or do I need the UUID? Let's see. Actually, no, I need the UUID, I think. Okay, let's try that. And then let's add the player to that list. Oh, I always forget how to do this. Let's see. Define list. Yeah. List. Wait. Okay, just do players. And then we add the player head item. So now we should be able to determine players. And yeah, if that works, it should make a player head for everyone that is online, which is me, with their skin. So let's see if that works. Let's go. It worked. Okay, so now let's get other things like the name. So the display name should just probably be the player's name. Let's see that again. Yep, underscore breadcrumb. That's me. So I might add some lore. So let's try this. So define lore list. All right. What should the lore be? Alright, let's make it so click to pick a new or send invite or transfer ownership to this player. Okay, transfer. Actually no, let's make this, yeah, I need to make this in quotes. Transfer ownership to transfer ownership by, and then new thing, right clicking. Is this right clicking? No, left clicking. Let's see how that works. And then let's add that to the lore. Alright. Transfer ownership by left clicking. Okay, so send, maybe we should put it so it's like send or pick p.name to be the new owner. What color should we make it? Do you want to make it, let's make it blue. Okay, let's reset this. There you go. Pick underscore breadcrumb to be the new owner. Let's go. Alright, so now that we got that set up, we're gonna make it so, when the player right clicks on the transfer ownership thing, it should take them to that pick an owner thing. So that's gonna be really easy. We're just gonna have to make a new click event. So let's see. Opens the danger zone inventory. Actually, no, opens the transfer ownership inventory. The audio is kind of overpowering your microphone. Oh, my bad. Okay, let me fix that real quick. Let's see. Alright, Moonstone, is that better? Oh, the music is overlap. Okay, is that better? Can you hear me a bit more? Anyway, let's see. That should work now. I'm just gonna make this a tiny bit. There we go. Okay, that should be better. Alright, open the transfer ship inventory. Yeah, from the danger zone inventory. Okay, yay, it's good. Alright. I'm gonna actually put this over here. So, on player clicks. Alright, what was the item called? So, it's the transfer ownership. Danger zone transfer ownership item. Clicks blank this in the faction action danger zone inventory, I believe. Oh, it's too quiet now? Okay, let's try this. How does that sound now? Or, it just started a new song, so it might be a bit weird, because lo-fi is like that. I'm pretty sure that's the right inventory, correct? Why is it giving me an error? Oh, empty section. So, it's got an inventory open, and then get the destination inventory, which is the new faction action danger zone transfer ownership player list inventory. Woo! That is a mouthful. Okay. So, now, if I did this correctly, you should be able to go to the danger zone, click this, there we go! It opened up the pick a new owner thing. So, now, you can do that. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. Cool. Okay. So, now, we have to make it so the player actually receives the notification. So when you click on the player, I have to get the player that you clicked. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. Sorry, I just had to think there. Alright, so when the player clicks on the player's head, it's going to have to check. Well, are they in a faction already? Or are they the owner of a faction or not? If they are an owner of the faction, obviously they can't be owners of two factions at once. So it's gonna fail. Also, these two dudes are fighting with each other. Stop it. This is supposed to be a fun, family-friendly... Are you loading your crossbow? Okay. Yeah, sometimes strange things happen on my test servers. Like, sometimes a squid would fly over here. Look at that! Okay. See, look! It's on land! That is magic, Glow. Let me just put it back into the ocean. Guys, look, I'm PETA. Saving lives. Free Willy, guys. Okay. Wait, hold on. I think I heard like a little notification. Did somebody start following or something? I have no idea. I have no idea what any of the notifications are. Anyway. Okay, let me... Oh, thanks. Oh, yeah, sorry about... I didn't see that. Thanks. I was taken for following. And, yeah, you're actually watching the stream. Ugh, the stream counter thing that I have on the other screen is broken then. It says there's no people watching, but I guess you're there. I think Moonstone's here as well. I'm not sure. Yeah. Thanks for tuning. I did thumbs up, but I forgot you can't see my hands. It's just my body. And it only tracks my face, so, you know. There are 5 people? Oh my god! Hi, everybody. Thanks for watching. Which means my counter on the other screen is broken as hell. Yeah, that's weird. I'm gonna have to get a better one. But yeah, thanks for following, Aya. I think I'm saying that correctly. So, okay, so basically what we're gonna have to do is check to see if the player has a faction. If they're already an owner of a faction, obviously, again, they can't be owners of two factions. If they're not an owner of the faction, then yay. If they are in another faction, then here, let me quickly pull something up. So let's open up MS Paint so we can visualize this better. Oh my god, this UI is way nicer than Windows 10. Okay, so if the player, this is me, if they want to make this player, this is Bob. Okay, so if I want to make Bob the owner of my faction, then I'm going to have to send an invite to Bob. If Bob is already an owner of his own faction, he owns, let's see, he owns this. This is his faction. If he already owns it, let's give him a little crown to show that he owns it. There, that's his crown. I hope you like it. Okay, so if he owns it, he can't own my faction as well as own his faction at the same time. Because that's just too much. You can't have a president of the United States also be the president of, let's say, I don't know, UK, the United Kingdom. That's just not going to work out. So, Bob will have to sever ties with his faction and transfer ownership to someone else. So, let's say Bob just transfers it to, Debbie. So this is Debbie. Bob transfers ownership to Debbie. But because Debbie is in Bob's faction, that will work. Bob's crown is hidden. Oh no! Okay, so it's kind of weird because the line thickness just got weird. Okay. This is Bob's crown. So I'm gonna have to fix these lines. So this is Bob's transferring it to Debbie. Debbie's over here. Yeah, you get the point. And so now Debbie gets Bob's crown. Because now Debbie's the owner. And so Debbie owns this server, or this faction, which means Bob no longer gets his crown. Sorry about that, Bob. No, I erased Bob! Okay, I'm gonna have to redraw him. There we go. Let's this time make him a bit happier. Because he kind of looked a bit sad last time. Here. Oh, he's so happy now. Okay, so now, Bob is no longer an owner. So now, this is me. Here, let me draw my little stick figure arms and legs. I want to transfer ownership of my faction to Bob. And so I send him a little invite from the faction action inventory. This is my notification. Look how beautiful that envelope is. To Bob. Bob receives it and either says yes or he says no. If he says no, obviously I remain owner of my faction. I forgot to give myself a crown. But if he's like, sure, then he becomes owner of my faction. I have to get rid of my crown already. Sad. And so now, Bob is the owner. Again. And then, I'm just a regular member. So I'm still affiliated with the faction. So, I hope that makes sense. I hope that this isn't too complicated for me to program. I probably made it too complicated. It's probably going to be way simpler to implement. I'm probably just changing it a lot. But yeah. I hope you guys liked my TED Talk and presentation, because 10 out of 10 graphics. MS Paint is pretty neat, actually. So, I'm going to have to say goodbye to Bob and Debbie here. See ya. Okay, so, let's do that now. So, I'm going to need to see when the player, I'm going to make this a new folder. Let's call it transfer ownership. So let's make an event to see when the player clicks on the player in the transfer ownership inventory. So what should we call this? Get I'm just gonna call it event transfer now. Okay, what am I gonna call this? This is always like the hardest part about programming, though. Naming your files, because you gotta make it have a good name where people can be like, okay, that's what this does. I'm just gonna call it transfer event, because that's kind of what it is. Okay, so now we're gonna have to make an event to get what the player clicked, which is probably gonna just get the context. So get or player chooses predecessor. No, heir. There, player chooses heir to the throne. Alright. This is gonna be so dumb. Wrong thing. Okay, events. No, I spelled it wrong. Events. Now, I'm gonna do this little documentation comic thing. So, player chooses heir. Written by Breadcrumb on stream. And then, I'm going to write the description. Oh, by the way, source code is down in the about links. You should be able to check my GitHub and find the source code. It's /BreadVibesMC. And if you don't want to click the link, it's the GitHub is https://github.com/breadcrumb is taken/BreadVibesMC. And I don't think the casing matters, because I found that GitHub will still take you to it, even if it's lowercase or all uppercase. So, that's pretty neat. Okay, so it should handle getting the selected player to transfer the ownership to. Is that the right one? Yeah. Okay, so on player clicks. Ooh, oh, this is neat. I don't remember this ever being here in the thing. Okay, so on player clicks item in inventory. So it's gonna be a head. So I'm just gonna do item in which inventory is it? So let's see if we can guess it. Faction, action, danger zone, transfer, ownership, player list inventory. You see, I'm so good at this. Let's see if that's correct. Faction, action, danger zone, transfer ownership, player list inventory. I was right! Oh! I probably shouldn't make it so verbose, though. Like, oh. Hey, I still got it verbatim. Let's just go ahead. So, let's see. Determine. No, not determine. Need to get the item that they've clicked, so I'm guessing it's going to be context.item. Why is this booing me? Type. Oh! Type world, not type event. Man, I'm sorry. Okay. Man. If Mick Monkey was here, he'd probably be like, "Oh my god, Breadcrumb, what the hell are you doing?" And then, give me do not trust roll on the Discord. Okay, so, let's see. It should narrate the context, or the item, that, I got. Actually, I can check right here. Context of the item. Boom! I was right! I'm so good at Denizen. Like, I should be a helper on the Discord server. Or I should get, a role on the Discord that says, Breadcrumb is the best. Like, Breadcrumb is best on the Denizen Discord. Okay, so it should narrate. Woohoo! It did it. So that is sorry. I should probably get some water. That is a lot. Okay, that's just my UUID, and then there's the pipe. Then that's probably the signature or whatever. And then my name. Breadcrumb. Or underscore Breadcrumb. Okay, so now we have to get the UUID of the player. So that's not going to be that hard. Should I flag the item with the player's UUID? Or should I just do a little hacky hack and find a way to get the mechanism? Skull underscore skin. I don't know. I'm deciding what to do. Should I find a way to kind of like embed the player into the item, either using flags or NBT tags? Or I should just flag flag the player. Yeah, I'm just gonna flag the player with their decision. Ooh, wait, then. Actually. Sorry about that. A little congested. Okay, so there must be a way. Can I flag an item? Here. Going on to the meta documentation. Alright, so. Item. Is it a flaggable object? So. Item tag. Yeah, I can flag it. Item tags, do not remember where they came from. If you read it in item from inventory, changing it does not change it. You must set it back in. Okay, object types are flaggable. Flags on this object will be stored as the item NBT. Okay, so we just have to get the NBT tag. So, I'll just flag that item. So, define, or, flag, nope, I'm gonna have to do it after it's created. So, there we go. So, flag, player head item. Is there a different syntax for flagging an item, or do I just do flag object? Okay, yeah, I'll just do this. Flag item, and then player dot UUID. So now that player should have the player's UUID in their NBT tags. So, oh, you can use item tag dot with flag. Hold on, let me try that out. Yeah, this is probably, I should probably do that because you're better than me at Denizen and you know what you're doing. I'm not. I'm just guessing everything. Thanks for the tip. Where's my cursor? Okay, here it is. With flag. Returns a copy of the item with the specified flag data action and the specified expiration duration applied to it. Oh wait, no, that's with dot duration. Returns a copy of the item with the specified flag data action applied to it. For example, item dot with flag my flag name, or item dot with flag the thing, or blah 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 blah. Okay, so hold on, wheels are turning in my head. I'm trying to figure out how to I'm gonna try and so okay, so what I can tell, I might be wrong, but from what I'm getting from this is that flag set action. Oh, does this... Oh, should I do this instead of flag it? Or is it like... Huh. Okay, let's see. You know, let's do a little bit of experimentation, shall we? So, because I'm not sure how to use this very much well, I'm going to have to see... Oh, this is the mechanism. Flag. Modifies the flag. Okay, Oh, it probably edits the flag on the item. I'm probably so wrong, because I'm not understanding this very well. Let's see. Item tag. Mechanism. Item tag.flag. Oh man. Aya is probably laughing in their chair, watching me struggle to do this. This is probably so simple, and yet I can't figure this out. Returns a copy of the item with specified flag data action applied to it. Oh, okay, so it applies the data action. So, I'm guessing that if I just do with flag with nothing else, it should flag the item with with that flag name. Oh, wait. Oh, I could just flag it with the value. Oh, okay, I'm getting it now. You see? I just have to take a step back and look at it. Look how far away I can go. This thing will still track me, I think. Hopefully. Anyway. Now that I know what to do, let's try and figure this out. Alright. So, item tagged out with flag. Hold on. I'm gonna have to... Alright. Where does this end? Okay. With flag. I'm gonna have to put this on a new line because I have something that you guys can't see right here. Like, and it's the chat, but you guys can't see the chat. And so I can't see what I'm typing here. So I'm gonna have to change it. Or actually I can put it up here. And so, there we go. I can see now. Okay. So with flag, and then player ID, and then let's just do p.id. Or UUID. So, if that works, like a recommended, hopefully it should have a flag with player ID, and it contains the value of the player's UUID, which I can then read from here using probably the item tag.flag mechanism. Huh, wait, I could have just used this. Oh, I'm probably so wrong. Like, I might be doing this wrong. Usually, these with underscore tags are confusing for me, because they always seem to do something with... Here, I'm just going to try this out and see if it works. So, I should be able to read it. So, narrate context.item, and I should be able to get the flag. Nope, that's not how I do it. I need to get the mechanism. Okay. Context item dot flag. I'm just gonna try that. Nope, that's giving me an error. Nope. Oh wait, can I get the flag by doing with flag? I'm just gonna try that out and see if the how the console. Oh. Let's see how much the console hates me after doing this. All right, let's try. So /F transfer ownership. Okay. Yeah, I don't think that did anything. That with flag. Okay, I think it's .flag name. Oh! I was right at first, but then I forgot. Oh my god. I am so dumb. Man. Typing too fast. Thank you, Aya. I would probably be stuck doing this without you. Okay, yes, that worked. You were right with the item tag dot with flag and the dot flag. Man, I should have known better. I did item tag dot flag without this thing. That's why it gave me the error. Oh my god. This is what happens when you're streaming. You lose your mind because you're multitasking at like once. Okay, so now that we've got the owner or the player, I can now handle that. So what we're gonna do now is, hold on, let me think again. I'm trying to remember what to do next. So chose the player. Okay, so we gotta notify the player. So gotta notify the player that I'm gonna bring up the MS Paint again, because I bet you guys really love this. So now that we've got it, now we got the player, so this actually really helps me visualize it as well. So we're gonna have to notify Bob here. Again, I'm using the same people. We're gonna have to notify Bob that I want him to become the new owner. So I'm gonna have to check to see if he's owner. Okay, so and thankfully for me, I have a procedure that will get the owner based off of the UUID. Context, not context, without the T. Okay, so now you get the player. So it is context, the item. Actually, I'm gonna make this a new definition. So define possible owner to be context, not item. Dot flag. Don't forget the brackets. Player ID. There we go. I spelt it wrong again. And then just pass in possible owner. I should change this to new owner. Do new owner. There we go. If they already have a faction. Oh, if they get... Okay, so get owner dot faction. Wait, no! I have to put this in its own procedure. So... dot context. This. So basically what this does is it gets the owner... Oh, that's wrong. Wait, no, I'm using the wrong thing. I should just be able to pass in this. Okay, yeah, I just pass in the owner, so UUID, into get faction, which is a thing, a procedure over here. Where is it? Oh, get faction. No, get player faction. Okay, I'm wrong. So it's get player faction. Okay, so okay, so I'm getting this. So procedure, get the player's faction with the context of the player, so UUID. Now we're gonna have to see if they are the owner. So let me just get rid of that. Now I have to get the owner of the faction. Nope, that's wrong. Proc get owner with the context of the faction's UUID, or the faction's ID. So yeah, that's right. With the faction should get their owner. I'm pretty sure that's the correct thing. Okay, yeah. And if they if there's no owner, then I don't have to worry about there not being an owner. So now I just have to check. So if new owner is the same as, I should probably change this as faction owner. If the new owner is the same UUID as the faction owner, then I'm just gonna narrate new owner dot name is already an owner of a faction. Alright, it should work. Emphasis on should. Let me just reload. Okay, so if I pick on me, okay, yeah, no, that didn't work. There's an error. Okay, let's see what happened. Get owner tag based server returned null. Oh, there's more, actually. What is this? Error. Cannot process list entry as type item tag. Does not match expected type. Okay, what did I do? Hold on. Where did I execute that command? Let's see. Whoops, I clicked the wrong button. Alright, let's see. What did I mess up? Auto-saving. Oh, nope, that's too far. Alright, EX reload. There we go. And then... where am I doing... Okay. Command /F, which opens up the inventory. That inventory Player clicks on faction. Player. Okay. Pick breadcrumb. Okay, I think this is where it went wrong. So, somewhere. This is it. Opening up. Okay, this is the definition. Fill tag. Fine. Okay, error. Cannot process list entry. P at as type item tag. Oh, okay. I think I know what went wrong. So, I think it's because I flagged the player's UUID to the item, and so it doesn't know what to do with it. So that's a problem. I'm gonna have to fix. Hold on. Let me look at the thing. So, determine. Let me go back to that inventory. Determine. So, fill tag players. Oh, okay. So look at this. Flag map equals map. Player head display equals breadcrumb. Lore. Pick breadcrumb to be. Oh, okay, so I think it's getting confused with this. Possibly. I'm probably really close to the screen. I'm just getting into this. Alright, cannot process list entry. Player. UUID. Okay, so somehow it got the player in the map or in the list entry. Somehow. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. And then let me just look at this a bit more. Then it errors out over here on getFactionData.dsc. Line 156. Man. Over here. So get player faction. Tag player.flag faction is invalid. The return. Okay. It can't get the player's flag. Oh, okay. It's just getting the UUID. So I probably have to turn that into a player. So I may be wrong. So where am I getting the? Okay. So context. Player. And then pass in the UUID into that. Hopefully that works. Maybe that'll cause one less error. And then I can fix that other error that is going crazy. Oh, okay, that kind of worked. So, new owner is just that. Alright, let's see. It's gonna have to do this again. Too many brackets. So I can just do this. Dot name. Oh, no, that's wrong. All of these brackets and you can have the player tag in the instead of the UUID. Oh, that's probably a better idea than what I'm doing here. Like, that's actually a way better idea than just having the UUID. Oh, why didn't I not think of that? Thank you. You've helped me so much so far. You're probably gonna, yeah. Alright, let's try that. So instead of getting the UUID, just pass in the player, which means I don't have to get this anymore because the player's already being passed in. All I just have to do is get this and then get the name. Okay, that should work. I always type too fast. EX, reload. You see, this is why I'm not making BreadCrumb a public server. Oh, error. Because of dumb little mistakes that I keep making. I'm not... Okay. What did I do wrong? Okay, it's still getting this list entry thing messed up. So, I'm gonna have to figure that out first. It's just, I don't see any other errors going on over here. Okay, so I just remembered that this is mine. Wait. Oh, okay, so it's comparing the UUIDs again. Yeah, this is... I need to fix this. So... I should probably put this into a player. I should probably be returning players instead of UUIDs for other stuff. But... I don't want to fix that right now, because I'm too lazy to fix it. Man, my code is probably so messed up. There! Breadcrumb is already an owner of a faction. That worked, finally. Now I have to fix that one little error up here. What is this? Why is this happening? Oh my god, I need to fix up my code. Like, I got this error. I got, this thing. Dorito. Moonstone, are you serious? Come on. Okay. WordPress specifics. WordPress is interesting. Transfer event. What did I mess up? So, on line 9. Uh-huh. So. Oh, the flag is invalid. Moonstone, stop, like, putting emoji. I mean, actually, do what you want. I can't stop you, Moonstone. I just have to fix this. Okay, so... Let's see. For some reason, now, the flag doesn't exist. Or, I'm just doing something wrong. Tag-based context, returned null. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this is invalid right now, so I obviously know that. Let's see what the next thing is. Again, invalid flag. Server.flag. The factions.player.flag. Faction owner. Oh my god! This is what happens when you have poor code. Am I right? So, I am honestly messing something up. I think it's because of me passing in the wrong types. Okay, so I should probably be passing in UUIDs for stuff like this. Man, I need to really fix this. Like, my god. Alright, let's take a look. Let's step back again. So, define the new owner as the context.item.flag, and which provides the player, which is given over here. So, with flag, player underscore ID. And, you know, it's the player. So, it passes in the player. And then now we have to define the faction. So, we need to get the player's faction with the player as the input. It's just, I think this takes in... It actually should work. Or, what happens if I do this? Is my code just screwed up, or... Experimenting, we're learning. This is a natural part of programming. Getting bugs and trying to fix it. Okay, so far, okay, there's red. Okay. Line 156, get faction data. Okay, it's this again. Okay, yeah, don't put in the UUID. That causes problems. So that was right. Nope. Alright, so now we have to find the owner of the current faction by getting the owner context the faction. So getting the... Yeah, I'm putting this into a player. So, oh, I'm comparing the players. So maybe I should do this instead. Let's see, does that work? Yay! Oh my god, it worked! Okay, yeah, I was just incorrectly comparing the, if. My bad. Now this is the only error that I still have, so I'm going to work on that one now. How long has this stream been going on for? Oh, it's been an hour. Oh, that's neat. Okay, so maybe half an hour left on the stream, guys. How about that? Yeah, I might stream for another half an hour. Or I might stream for another hour. Who knows? Ooh. Okay. Probably just gonna stream for another half hour, then I'll end it off. And hopefully, all thing goes well. Actually, I'm going to go into a little intermission right now, because I want to get a drink of water. Whoops, I placed a period. So, I'm gonna just quickly go into intermission. Nah, no, wrong thing. Nah, no. Come on, stop, work. Okay, intermission. Ah! Man, that was stressful. I did so many things wrong. I'm gonna quickly go get some water, because I'm parched. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I got water. I'm back. Alright. I just realized you can't see me drink that. You can just see me do that. Okay, so yeah, I've been streaming for about an hour and a half now. Or actually an hour and 20 minutes. So, let's keep doing this. Oh my god. Another water. This is actually a lot of fun. I'm surprised most of you have actually stayed for this long. I actually didn't think I'd get so many people actually watching this. Okay, wait, how many? Because the thing I'm using currently doesn't show me what, correctly, what I'm actually, my viewers. I have to look at it. Okay, I got 3 viewers. That's actually really neat. That's probably Aya, Moonstone, and somebody else. Actually, that was probably me. Oh, I just realized it's tracking you. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I can move around, and it goes so far. Like, I can walk all the way to my door. It is really neat. And, yeah, it tracks my body. I can go upside down. Yeah. It's a lot of fun. Moonstone actually helped me make this, so kudos to him. Thanks a lot, Moonstone. This is so epic. It's just sometimes it uses my eyes, so if I cover my mouth, I can still do it, but if I cover my eyes, I disappear. So like I can just do this. Boom! Now I've teleported. Oh my god! I'm invisible. Yeah, this is a lot of fun to mess around with. I love doing it. Yeah. Another water drink. Okay. Oh, this is great. I like this stream so far. This is gonna be fun. Alright, I actually am gonna be putting this in I'm gonna be putting this into like a clip from my YouTube video on the devlog. So yeah, thanks a lot. Let's get back to it. Ooh, cool transition effect. Woo! Alright. Let me just close OBS. There we go. Alright, again, so gotta fix this little error that I'm getting with it trying to parse. It says cannot process list entry as a type of item. So it's probably doing some weird thing where it's doing something. Something, yeah. So specific, Breadcrumb. Thank you so much. That is so cool. Alright, let's see. This thing is so annoying. I'm gonna turn down the chat a tiny bit just so I can see this. So if you say something, I'm not gonna see it for a tiny bit. Sorry. Alright. Define layer. If I take away the UUID, will it still put the skin? I'm kind of curious about that. It probably won't. And it's probably not really gonna matter. Oh, yep. I was right. It's not gonna work. So, probably just keep that as the UUID. Alright, the chat is back. So, I mean, you can't see it, but I can. It's my magic little, I'm doing little jazz hands, but you can't see it. This is so sad. I need to figure out how to track my arms. That would be so cool. Okay. Let's try this out more. So, now, again, in the console. Oh, because I just did it again, it's probably going, yep! Oh, frick! Uh-oh, yeah, this is why, you probably shouldn't let me touch, Minecraft and Denizen and stuff like that. Okay, so, now that I know, passing in a player as an argument will throw a illegal argument exception. So that's pretty fun. Okay, let's actually get onto it. Is this another error? Please don't be another error. No! Please. No. Man. Error after error. Bug after bug. Okay. Now this is reloaded. Let's try this out. So /F. Danger zone. Transfer. Alright. Any new errors? Okay, it's just this again. Honestly, I have no idea what this does. Or I have no idea why this is happening. Like, cannot process list entry. I should probably be looking at the queue. I'm gonna look at this a tiny bit more. So, like, in depth. So, this is applying the properties to the item. Defining the item. Oh, this is the loop right here. So, for each callback. What? It says for each executing line 0. Is this like this weird? Okay. It says for each loop complete. Is that just like a weird Denizen internal thing? I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so determine players. Okay, that's the server.online players. So, fill tag players with list. And oh! Okay, I think I see what's going on. I actually have no idea what's going on. Okay, so it says still tag players with list, and then the player, which is me, and then it makes a new entry with the item. Oh! Oh! I understand what's going on now. I probably should have made a new list of all the player heads. So, that will probably... Oh, okay, yeah. So, define item player list as a list. Oh, no! I already have a list. I can just do this. So, define head list, and then determine head list. Oh, let's go. That might actually be it. What? Okay, that took a while to reload. What the hell is going on? Weird. That was probably just me. Huh. Sorry, I'm just obsessing with that. That took a while. Did I do something? Where is that in console? I don't see it. Or whether it's Breadcrumb issued. Oh, there it is. How long did it take for that to finish? What the hell? 1,373 milliseconds. Okay, that's gotta be like a fluke. Oh, 55. Oh, I could have just looked at here. Okay, yeah, that's a bit... I understand 60 milliseconds and 50. But, 113,000. Or no, not 113,000. 1,300. Damn, that's like that's about a second, actually. I mean, it's not very much. It's just unnatural. Or that's not normal. Alright, let's do this. So, transfer. Please don't have any owner, errors. No. No red. No red. Let's go. Wait, did I do it right? That was it! Oh! Let's go. I was just putting the head, I was putting into the wrong list. Oh my god. You see, it's tiny mistakes like these that cause things that to just explode. Well, we got that figured out, so that's really fun. So now, we can't, so now this thing, it will stop. Yeah, actually, we'll just do that and finish. Yeah. Now I have to see else. Then the player isn't an owner of the faction, so then we can notify them. So I might flag the current the current owner with a flag that's like waiting for approval or waiting for transfership acceptance. So yeah, flag context.player, which is the player who clicked on the item. Wait, no, it's just flag player, because on player there, waiting for owner transfer request acceptance. Why is all of my names so long? And they're so verbose. Like, oh my god. And yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Should I pass in the owner? Do I want to? Yeah, I'll do it. Just so I can get the player, like, be like, oh, you're still waiting for blah 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 to accept your invite. Yeah. And I'm just gonna pass that in. New owner. There we go. And then just gonna make sure that if the player has the flag, they can't do the command again. Actually, I'm gonna set a duration on this, so then it will expire after a little bit of time. let's say 5 minutes. So it will expire in 5 minutes. So it gives the new player, the new owner, 5 minutes to accept it. If not, then yeah. Is there a way for me to see if this expires? Probably. But I'm not gonna have to worry about that right now. I'll do that later. So it will expire in 5 minutes. Or I'm gonna make it 3 minutes. There. So they have 3 minutes to accept. And while the player is waiting for acceptance, let's check to see if they have the flag. So if player.hasFlag, that, or if not, else, narrate, you are still waiting for, and then this is where this is where the player passed into the flag comes in. So player.flag, blah 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 blah, waiting for dot name to accept the ownership, accept the Okay, let's see if that works. This might actually this might cause a bit of problems because I'm trying to transfer ownership to myself. But let's still try this out. Let's hope it works. So let's see. Yep. Breadcrumb is already an owner of a faction. I should close the inventory. And then inventory close. There. So now if I try and do it again, hopefully it should prevent me from doing it. No! Okay. What went wrong? Oh, I see. Oh. Because I am already an owner of a faction, it doesn't ever go here. So the code isn't broken, just my logic. So, let's bring in the Minecraft alt account. So, hold on, how much time do we have left on the stream? Let's see, half an hour. Okay, so, soon, this will be over. Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna end it at 3:30. I don't think that's too late. So let me just. Do I want to do this? You know what? I'm pulling out the black screen. I probably should have done that in like the first place. Okay, so now you can't see my accounts and stuff. Oh, I have to add the account. Are you serious? Come on, will this work? Come on. Microsoft, please. Okay, that worked. Okay, so I think I'll be able to quickly launch it again. Come on. It's loading. Okay, now I've signed in as my alt account. So I'm gonna open it. Woo! It's opening! That worked. Alright, good. Man, Pretzel Rocks is like spamming the chat with how much music it's playing. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear it very well. I can barely hear it on my computer. I hope you guys enjoy the music provided by Pretzel Rocks. It's pretty neat. I liked it. Okay, I think I can turn off the black screen now. So, welcome back, everybody. Oh no, the infinite screens. Oh my god, no. Oh my goodness. So, oh my god, it's so laggy. Okay, this might have been a mistake. Dang. Look at my computer. Or... Eek. Oh my god. Yeah, that's not good. That's really not good. Okay. Let's just log in. And see what happens. Okay, Mr. Breadby! Wait, this is the first time I think Mr. Breadby has joined this world. Oh, by the way, this is my alt, Mr. Breadby. He's pretty cool. This is his skin. Got the signature Breadcrumb smiley logo on it. And yeah, this is my alt. I bought him. Oh my god, that sounded terrible. I bought the alternate account so I can do testing for Minecraft servers like this. So, let's try and see if this works. So I want to try and transfer ownership of my faction, called _Breadcrumbs faction, to Mr. Breadby. Let's see if our current thing, like, works by flagging the player. So, will Mr. Breadby show up? Yes? Okay, so... What happened? Ah! There's errors! Oh my god. Let's see, what did I mess up? So that flag, it's this again. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why does this keep happening? Is my code just this bad? Okay, let's see. I need to figure this out. What are the other errors? Get owner, returned null, or it's invalid. Oh wait, no. Player returned null. That's not good. Oh my god. This worked. Oh. Oh, wait, something happened. What was that? Oh, Unbegin is following. Thank you. Man, I wish there was a way for me to actually see what's going on without having to open OBS. Maybe I should just have, like, Twitch open on the other screen. That'd be really interesting. Yeah. Alright. Oh, okay, but it flagged me. Did it flag me? I think so. I hope it did. Wait. It flagged Mr. Breadby! Dang it. So now Mr. Breadby has that flag. Wait, I'm allowed to still do this, right? List flags. This will probably give me an error. Okay. Ah. Oh. It's just this thing. Okay, Mr. Breadby doesn't have that flag. Oh, I remember. I remember now. This is the... Oh, yeah. Okay, so... This is just the value. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. So if I list my flags, I should have the, yeah, waiting for requests. So if I do /f, this thing, maybe it will, nope, it won't tell me. Alright, now I gotta fix this error. Alright, let's see. Unfulfilled or unrecognized subtags, flag. Player.flag faction. Okay. Let's see what I'm doing wrong. Oh, an Enderman! What the hell? It's gone. Is that... It's flying. It's flying. It's flying. See, this is the stuff I'm talking about. This only happens in your local host testing server. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I caught it 4K on my Twitch. You're doing it again. You see, this is why I hate Minecraft Squid. Even though I have one in the Breadcrumb universe. Yeah, they're annoying. Okay, let's get back to the original problem. Me not being able to get this to work. Alright, let's see what I'm messing up. Oh my god, there's a lot of errors. Alright, let's start at the beginning. Alright, oh my god. Alright, first error. Dot flag is invalid. Wait, did I already get this error? Nope. Did I? Probably. Probably not, actually. Okay, let's see. Actually, yeah. First error. Let's address this. Tag player.flag faction is invalid. Unfilled or unrecognized subtags flag faction for tag player.flag. Return value from the initial tag fragment was player was this, Mr. Breadby. Almost matched, but failed. Okay, so I think I'm passing in the wrong thing. Actually, I'm not. Am I? It works for me. So I don't know. Is Mr. Breadby just special, or am I just dumb? Probably neither, but... Okay, let's see. So I'm passing in players the definition. And getting player faction with the context of the new owner is the player. So I should be able to get the player's flag. So let's see. Dictionary player. I learned that I could do this. It's kind of hacky. But I learned it because I saw Bear do it. Actually, no, that doesn't work. Wait, no, I gotta just do this. Oh! Oh, I see! Mr. Breadby isn't in a faction. And so the flag is null. Oh! Okay, that was just my fault. So I don't have to get the player's faction. I have to see if they have the flag. Okay, so yeah, this is alright, I'm just gonna comment most of the stuff up. So instead of getting the faction, I need to check to see if the player is actually in a faction first. Because if they're not in a faction, how are they supposed to return? How am I supposed to get their faction if it's null or it doesn't exist? Okay, so I see what I'm doing wrong. It's these kinds of things where I like everything clicks, where my ignorance becomes noticed or noticeable. All right, let's see. If player dot hat nope, wrong person. If new owner dot has flag faction, then we can do all of this stuff. Let's move this up a bit. So, if not, then they can probably do this one. Let's see. What is this? Why is it giving me an error? It is not empty. Oh, I messed up. Okay, so if the player is in a faction, do all this determining stuff, and then if the player's UUID, then flag the player as waiting. Should I make this another task so I can just copy and paste it here? I have to go. Fun watching, great stream. Oh, thank you, Aya. I think I'm saying that correctly. Thanks for watching, and thank you for all the help. I'm waving, but you can't see it again. Bye. Thanks for watching. Alright, so now let's finish this. If new owner has a flag, so okay, so if they're not in the faction, I have to just do the same thing. So I'm just gonna copy and paste this. Boop. There we go. Actually, I have to change this. Actually, no, I don't have to change this. So, should probably inventory close this as well, just so I know it works. Alright, let's try this. Hopefully, this works. If it does, I just missed that. Or Aya. I honestly have no clue. I think it's Aya. Alright. Let's see. Actually, wait, no. I still have a flag, don't I? Yeah, I still have that flag. When does it expire? Oh, I need to change this to 3 minutes. Hey, excuse me! Hold on. Can you not get in my face, please? That would be very nice. Thank you. Okay. Let me finish what I was doing. Gonna... Waiting. Into now. So, now I don't have it anymore. Let's try this. So, flag, or faction. Oh my god! Get out of my face! Okay, that closed. Ooh, errors. Actually, no, there no errors. Never mind, there is an error. No, actually, there's not. Let's go. Boom! Boom. Okay, what is this queue name? Player chooses hair _ sorry M. What is M? Why is that there? Anyway. Alright, so now this should expire in 3 minutes. Which part? Okay, so because Mr. Breadby isn't in a faction, now it worked. Oh, yes! This is going so well. So, oh, water break. What the hell? Oh. That's why. Okay. I was drinking water and I heard the drinking sound. Oh, I cannot hear the music. I see pretzel things, but I can't hear anything. Okay, so let me try and increase the volume. Oh yeah, the volume's pretty low. Tell me, is that better? I kind of wish someone said something about that earlier. How behind am I? Because I'm still waiting for... Oh, it's still very quiet? Oh, well, I mean, this is really the most I can do without kind of overpowering my voice, because you still have to hear me. Here, let me just turn it up a tiny bit more. Okay, how's that? I'll just keep finishing and getting this... Okay, good. Let's go! Okay. I'm gonna keep it at that for now. Unlike you. Should I ban him? No, that's just salty. No. Okay. I won't. I might just let that slide this time. I don't have any moderators. Can I do anything from here, actually? No, I won't block him from the chat. Okay. That's just uncalled for. Alright. Hey. Yep, you're free. Easy. Yo! Stop it! You are pushing the line, mister. Stop it. Okay. So. Let's wait. Alright, let's see. Do I still have that flag? Yep. So it hasn't expired yet. Should expire soon. Oh my god, look at this queue name! It's McMonkey and Bear. Yo! This is like a stream clip. Clip that, someone, if they're watching. That's funny. Or I mean, you don't have to clip it. That's just I've always wanted to say that. I just always wanted to say that on the stream. I don't know. I just think it's funny. You can't even clip? What? You can't? Wait. Oh. Do I have to like turn that feature on or something? Remember, this is like my second stream. Oh, probably. I have no idea. I don't know. I thought people were able to clip my content. I guess not. I'll figure that out later. Now, we have to see if this works. So, I'm waiting for this flag to expire. Actually, let's try it out. If I try and do it again, will it close? Or will it flag me again? Oh, I think it flagged me again. It shouldn't let me open that if I have the flag. Let's see. If not, else you're still waiting. Yeah, it's... I don't see why this is working. Wait, did I just flag myself twice? Wait. Did I... Dorito. Did I just flag myself twice? Alright, let's see. Let's try this again. Actually, no. Wait, no, this is just gonna return Mr. Breadby. I don't see why it's still letting me do this. Okay, let's see. What happens when I do that? So, in theory... Wait a second. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Okay. I'm not running this. I'm directly opening the inventory, which skips the flag check. Alright, okay, that's just something on my end. Where is it? Oh, it's in the events. I shouldn't run open. I should do the inventory close, then run faction.transfer owner. Shit. That should now check. Oh! It worked! Let's go! Okay, so that's why it's, okay, that's what's up. Alright, I'm gonna move this upwards. Because... continuity. Alright. Sorry I keep, coughing. Talking a lot kind of puts a strain on my voice. Took another water drink. Alright. So, now you got that working. Now, it will block you from trying to transfer again while Mr. Breadby's, you know, waiting to do it. Now I just have to wait for the flag to expire. Which, honestly, I feel like should have happened by now. I'm just gonna change it for it's like 5 seconds, actually. Or 10 seconds. For now. For testing purposes. For testing purposes. Come on, guys. Let's just try this again. Flag. Player. This. No. Okay, so now I don't have it again. It needs to reload. Or, no, I already reloaded, so. So, /faction. Open the faction action. Danger zone. Transfer. Boom. Okay, so now, I shouldn't be able to do that again. But, in a couple of seconds, it should expire. Maybe it will show in the console when it expires. What the heck is this? Paper, do you wish to see all 221 possibilities? 74 lines. No, I don't know what that does. Did I do something? Did I click something? What is this? Paper, you whack. Okay. Okay, so I don't think the flag will output anything to the terminal. That's a bit unfortunate. Will it still work? Okay! Oh, yes! Yes, it works! So I should not have the flag anymore. Let's see. Why do I still have it? What? Oh, that's so weird. Is that just like a Denizen thing? Hold on. I want to check the meta docs. meta.denizenscript.com. I'm just gonna quickly get this up. Or, let's see. Flag. Expire. You can optionally specify a system time. Either duration tag or... Sorry if, like, I keep looking quickly like that. It's because the Twitch chat is over here. Whenever Pretzel starts a new song, you know. Okay. Expire. So, I'm putting a correct thing. Okay. Flags by default are added permanently. You can specify expire at. So, what happens when it expires? Does it just get rid of it? Because I still have the flag. Does it just get rid of the thing? So let's see. Ex narrate player.flag. Alright, let's see what the flag's value is. Oh! So it just disappears. Or okay, so it just has like a null value. Okay, that makes a bunch of sense. Okay, so now that we know that works, woo! I'm so happy. Now, I'm just gonna open this up here, and then have this one over here, just so we can, you know, communicate with each other and have a meaningful, heart-to-heart conversation with each other. Also, get out of my face! Come on! Please. It's annoying. Okay. Let's do this. Alright. So now, we should notify... Hold on, I want to put this on the other side. This goes here. This goes here. Okay. So, now I have to notify Mr. Breadby over here that I want to give him ownership of my faction. So let's do that. So, let's narrate to alright, narrate targets new owner. Let's narrate wait, no, I don't need that. Player wants you to become the new owner of their faction. And then the faction's name. So I'm just gonna do player dot flag faction. Actually, no, that's not gonna work. Faction. Get the and then proc get display name with the context of the faction's ID. So, let's see if that works. So /F. I clicked the wrong thing! No! No! Ah! Did it flag me? Okay, I need to I need to probably, you know, I need to catch that. Alright, so let's try this again. Let's collect the right player this time. Let's go! Okay, I need to parse that as the name. Player.name wants you. Oh my god, yes! Okay, so. Wait. Oh, okay, so now I should have that flag, so I'm just gonna get rid of that so I can keep testing. So now it should work. Should I make this a semicolon or colon? I'm making a colon. My English teacher would know what to do about this, but they're not here. So let's just keep this. So what else should we do? Ooh, wait, I want to make it I'm gonna make it green just so it pops out, and then have this reset here. There we go. So reload that. Alright, so now the so now we need to have a way for player 2 for Mr. Breadby to accept the thing. So I'm gonna do to accept, please do. Should I make it be like /accept or have them say something? Please issue the command /accept to deny. Please issue the command /deny, or do nothing. Will this what is it, like invite, or this request will expire in 3 minutes. Okay, so actually I'm gonna make it do a command. So I'm gonna make it green again, and then reset this. I love my chat colors. Blue. Actually, I'm gonna make this yellow. And then, you know, reset, and then green, and then yellow, and then reset. Actually, no. Gonna make this. I should do blue. No, green. Instead of reset. Alright, let's see how this looks. So now if I do you know, do the normal stuff. _Breadcrumb wants you to become a new owner of their faction. _Breadcrumb's faction. To accept, please issue the command /accept. To deny, please issue the command /deny, or do nothing. This request will expire in 3 minutes. Okay, so now I just have to see. Okay, I'm gonna flag the player so I can check to see if they are going to accept. Also, the stream will end in 10 minutes, so let's quickly just do this. So flag new owner. Has ownership offer, and I'll also make that expire in 10 seconds from now. So I'm actually gonna have to check if the player has this flag as well, just in case. So if player has flag this. Actually, no. If not, player that has that flag. So if not, else be like, oh, I'm just gonna quickly be like, it already has a valid offer. Please try again soon. Alright, so the offer should have expired by now. So now I'm gonna have to make an event. So player accepts or denies offer to be new owner. Type world events on player chats flagged what is it again? Oh, has ownership offer. And then if context dot, what is it? I want to say context dot message. Alright, let's just see. Oh my, I was right. Alright, context dot message equals / accept. Then I'm just gonna narrate woo else if context dot message equals / deny / narrate oof else stop. Actually, do not stop. Yeah, determine passively. Terminate cancel. There. Now, if I request for Mr. Breadby to become the owner, if I do / accept, it should say no. Okay, I'm just gonna make it so they have to say accept. Or deny. That kind of sucks. Okay. Let's try that again. Reload. And flag. I'm just gonna... Alright, let's try this again. Accept. Whoa! Mr. Breadby, accept. Oh, I should determine cancel. Actually, I should do passively canceled. There we go. Also, why did it take so long for Mr. Breadby to actually say that? Was it just me lagging? Probably. Huh, I might have been... Oh, look at that! It took 91 seconds. Oh, weird. Let's try that again. So, EX plus F. Okay, that's better. And now let's try... Okay, so then I know that deny works. Okay, perfect timing. Now we have like 5 minutes left. I should probably pass in the value of the faction that they're gonna overthrow. Yeah, I'm gonna pass in the faction. Faction. I'm pretty sure that's what the fine was. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna change this back to 3 minutes. So, there we go. We have gotten very close to finishing, but we essentially have the basic structure down. So, I think we can now go into the intermission. Wow, that was a lot. We did a lot in this stream, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys stayed for the entire time, wow. That was 2 hours of you watching me struggle to program. But thank you. I actually really do. If you want to support me more, you can look at the links down in the About section of the Twitch, where you'll find links to my website, my GitHub, my YouTube channel, my Odyssey channel, and stuff like that. You can also find the source code, which I'm gonna push after I quit, in the description. So if you want to see the stuff that I changed and added, you will see it will be on the GitHub in a couple of minutes. So yeah, if you wanna, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm got so close to 100 subscribers, and it would be amazing if I can get 100 subscribers, because it's been my goal for a very long time. And yeah, in the next time, I definitely want to do another stream. This was a lot of fun. But yeah, I want to do another one of these streams later on. Might be kind of a while though, probably on a weekday or a weekend, because I have school next week. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say, and yeah, this honestly is far from complete, and I still have a few things to implement, and then I will push this out into the YouTube video. Thanks for everyone who stayed, even if you aren't here. Thank you. I hope you can get my thanks even through the thing. So I hope you guys thought this was entertaining. I hope you guys like me fail and find a bunch of bugs and have to rely on my viewers for help. But that's what it is in the Twitch business, I guess. But yeah, that was fun. I hope you guys had fun too. I'm waiting for 3:30. Actually, I'm probably just gonna end it right now. But yeah, it works. We got the basic stuff down, and I just have to make it so the player can actually accept, and then it will switch the owners, which will be obviously really quick to actually implement. Man, I should probably drink more water next time. My throat is like, ugh. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys had fun. Again, links in the description for everything. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't have anything else to say, so I'm just gonna end the stream right now. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much. Until next time. Wait, thank you. See you in the next. I'm trying to remember what the outro is. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. In the next time, Bread Boys. I can't even remember my own outro. Okay. Until next time, Bread Boys. Goodbye. I think that was it. Or thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.